This might be our last ride in this wonderful thing. Ancient. Otis. At Parnell building or EQ? Flash to the floor for a split second. Levels better than most modern lifts do. Cab. This thing will be replaced. I can't remember what the document said. This one's a replacement or a mod. But should be going this year, I'm pretty sure. 907 kilograms, 13 persons. This is lift number 18. Original door operators and everything in this. Like an emergency alert or something? There we go. Single port button.